One thing that some people never think about is after, they think about changing the oil in the car and once in a while checking the air pressure in their tires. But a lot of times they do not think about changing the air filter. I'm up here, it's about 11:15 p.m. on a super Sunday at night, and I've had this in the back floorboard of my Mercury Mountaineer for 2 weeks. It's a Fram air filter, and so what I've already done, or did, let me say that. What I've already did is I've taken the old one out. Guess you can see it. I've taken the old one out and I've thrown it in the trash can over here. So I'm going. All it is a square filter. You can see it on the front display right here. Little square filter. I use Fram Ultra Guard or whatever. I think this one was about $10, and I bought one for the Sonya to go in the Chevy Impala. It's about $12, but most people, it says recommended to change every 40,000. I change them out about every 20,000 miles. And if you live on back roads and you go up and down a bunch of dirt roads and get a lot of dust, blowing around, it can get into the air intake of your car. So I'm going to go ahead and change this out. And I try to use one hand and open it up and show you what it looks like. If they don't have it taped, they might have it taped. And I'm using my DJI Pocket 2. And they do have it taped, bear with me. I'll get her open. I'm up here at the Exxon, not the Exxon, but the mobile station, which is Zoomers. Right here off South John B. Dennis. McDonald's is next door. Well, I started to take the filter out. The cartridge fell on the ground. But this is what it looks like. And see here. And that one was pretty dirty, not severely dirty. It was about probably 50% stopped up. And I change them about every 20,000. And on this Mercury Mountaineer 5.0, you just pull, it's got a couple little spring brackets on here, the air box. You disconnect it and it snaps right up. You pull it back right out, the top of it off. You don't even have to disconnect the air intake hose. Just leave it attached to the air filter box. Just take the top of it off. You got two little metal spring brackets. You open them with your fingers and this will pull right off. It's simple. So there you have it. Change the air filter. I do mine about every 20,000. If you live on, like I said, dusty dirt roads out in the country somewhere, or if you do a lot of hiking, camping, you go through all these back roads like I do, you need to change them out. Please like, comment, subscribe as always right here at Zoomers on South John B. Dennis Highway in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. I guess what I should have did, to me this doesn't look like it's that bright. Let me show you what I can do. I should have touched my camera right here, and I can raise my ISO, but I'm not going to worry about it since I've already been recording. But do not forget to change your air filter. Like I said, a lot of people change the oil but never change the air filter. And if you can't get enough air into the top of your engine, it makes the engine run rough. I'm out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Be happy, positive, focus. Share my videos. Have a good night. See you in the next video.